In just a few minutes, you'll see how the Clinical Documentation Assistant from AI4Docs generates a complete clinical note from your patient conversation. Open the app at clinic.ai4docs.ai. Sign in with your email or your Google account. Choose your output language. The app understands over 100 spoken languages and can generate notes in 13 output languages, including English and Arabic. There are two settings: the language of the medical note. I'll leave this as English. The language of the patient instructions. This is useful for prescriptions, for example. Since I'm from Egypt, I'll choose Arabic here. This allows patients to understand in their native language how to take their medications. While in Settings, go to the Profile tab and fill in your information. This is important for your letterhead and is synced across all browsers. Note that the logo is not used within the Clinical Documentation Assistant, but it is included on printed documents if you use our Smart EMR, which is provided free of charge with any subscription. Click the Record button to start your patient conversation and speak naturally in any language. The AI captures everything. Use the Pause button during periods of silence, such as while examining the patient, and resume recording when you're ready. This keeps the audio file smaller and speeds up note generation. When you're done, click Stop Recording. Your recording stays in the browser. Nothing is saved on our servers. Scroll down to be able to add exam findings, lab results, or images to your note. You can type them in manually. Dictate them using your microphone. Upload files directly to the Investigation Files area. The app supports photos, PDFs, Word files, audio, and even clear photos of handwritten notes. The AI reads them all. You can remove any of the uploaded files by clicking on the red Remove button beside the file you want to delete. Select your note type: first visit, follow-up, dictation, recap, medical report, or referral letter. Let's start with first visit. In seconds, your medical note appears, starting with a clinical snapshot including active problems, key findings and action plan, and a one-sentence summary. This is followed by a complete medical note with history, examination, assessment, and plan, all formatted and ready. Review your note. Everything is editable. Need to make a change? Switch to edit mode for full control. Your updates are automatically saved when you click outside the generation window or switch to view mode. If needed, use the revert button to undo your edits. You can also use Voice Update to quickly add corrections by speaking. Voice updates are limited to 30 seconds. For example, say, "Order a CBC," and the app will intelligently insert it in the appropriate place in the generated note. These updates are auto-saved, and you can use the revert button to undo a voice update if needed. Export your notes anywhere. Copy to clipboard to paste in your EMR, print or save as a PDF, download as a Word document, or share directly with any app on your mobile device. Start creating your clinical notes today at AI4Docs.ai. 40 notes per month, free, no credit card required. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.